You should always be a little skeptical of the data sheet. I see some interesting practices that sometimes don't have a justification
Mhm.
explained in the data sheet.
Right.
Sometimes the justification is in the data sheet. And then sometimes they just take the dev board layout and they're
hmm
just like, here's your layout. This is what you
hmm
should do.
I did dozens of eval boards. I mean, dozens, and that was my job. And so let me tell you how those layouts, they come up with those layouts by going to the PCB shop that we generally go to, it was Spectrum Digital back in the day and some of the others, and saying, here, lay this out. The TI people don't lay it out, and the silicon companies don't lay it out. They don't have the understanding to do that in general, so they have somebody else do it. Now, of course, it's different if you're doing something like an AMD processor. They get really into their layout, like with Dan Beaker. But for the most part, for like LDOs and BGAs that are just simple processors and things, they don't do that. And that's why they do a bunch of things that, like you said, people take them as gospel, and they took my eval boards as gospel all the time. And I'm telling them, I'm like, this board has not been FCC tested. This board has not been in a product. I don't know if this is a great design or not. It's an example. That's what it's meant to be, an example. It's not meant to be gospel.